gwe timu ya Shabana FC nigo bwagi keirivo kongu anda kukunsana kwa boro chinsemo chia Raila Odinga Homa Bay Stadium weekend ya Nyarako bakegweta asbatire bona babekire kamati bene gotukengane yuga sobo ime asaba doro boti bene igoro yengane yuga sabati otiribe timu ya Shabana FC wasaburu ko abatwereru asichiwa soli chirebo sio che timu ya Shabana.
It is not acceptable in the modern footballing world. But we have our security team. They have come up with a report that we are supposed to sit as management and dissect. From there, we are going to improve on our security that is the safety of our fans, players, even the technical bench going forward. So it was unfortunate, and we will definitely take some measures to make sure that the same should not happen again going forward.
Omugavana kugusimba utagwanja tokonye geti gito kerosigu tuira n'abantu bari tuteteri busarasini batwegeti fund because we are taking a lot of revenue to Homa Bay County nande bagenda bagatogosera bagatuita tugaitu we take money there and they beat us. What is this now? Ono tutete egeti tuira nerigu kwanza ndutete go Homa Bay mopiro yo next to go so much we want to be revenue we change go to iwa sanga lakini nturi kwera na Homa Bay ekerambata wasera wasikanitare ngororo
nsege ntongo tevi gikurukia nego cyase amashabik abatwetereri baito kamuranje kero tuligeti gatutwara murembe tutwara masikani go cyasa players baito cyese management egere nali kirito tagetivu na mashabik ne win gose ububui ekero turaba ebibionsi tutware ebintu biri totagete nande nari gusabe county yetu ya Kisii kamoranje batoroseri geti egere twirani omorembe oliotu obolire asensemo ya Homa Bay.
Yes, we have received a lot of requests from most of our fans, especially now because of what happened, the chaos that erupted in our last match. Yes, as management, we listen to our stakeholders. Our fans are the number one stakeholders. We listen to them. We have been able to engage the fan-based leadership on this. There is a conversation going on the same. Once they have the report ready,